I need to do my laundry for the first time on a washing machine. So my mom is going to teach me how to do it, and also if it's your first time to do it, maybe you can also do it the same thing with me. So over here, you need to put like special clothes because they're really special. So you need to put it inside here in some kind of bag. So to open this, you need to find a way to open it. So you need to put the bag inside, and then you need to put all of the clothes inside. Okay.
Turn on the faucet, anak.
What?
Turn on the faucet.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, just a lot of spiders here.
Okay. And then, what's next? You need to put the soap here. Take 2 cups of that soap.
But I don't even have a cup.
No, you use the,
this one.
yes, the cup of that one.
So it should be like full. Wait, why is there
Over
bubble
here so it won't fall down. It won't drip. 1. And last one. One more.
So 3 scoops.
Yeah.
I need 3 cups. Woo. Mom, I guess there's a few water over there.
Yeah. So how to turn on the washing machine?
Just turn on the power button.
Yeah, turn on the power button.
You mean this?
Yeah. And then because the water, oh, it's too much. So you have to adjust the,
Water level.
I think should be 7 set, and this one has to be delicate. Set, and you start.
How should I? Have a lot of water.
Okay, turn, cover it na.
Oh, I want to see.
Yeah.
I can wait
So
for
we
it to-
just wait for it to finish. It will automatically rinse and spin, and later we're gonna, once it's done, we're gonna hang the clothes.
Okay, so sometimes you can make it like this.
Yeah. So when it's time to do the rinsing, we're gonna put the other one, the fabric conditioner. Okay. We're
So
done.
how about this?
We just let it stay here.
Okay,
Done.
I just